Harmonization egento kerabekia lakini bono boronge asomorobelio moronge ango mangana yechi basari tayo asemorobelio nanchi asebirengere byane ango mangana ngachi basari ango ndro kwane buri yechi basari ngakemera
ndo mwana nabwa
ango to kwana ngaki
yokosoma
ango to kwana ngaki abana bonse bibachire sukuru ange fees should not be there ango anga serikali yari kuri yenchera yoko make sure ngachi sukuru cha public schools they are free kuna chitakera koma so angontoro kunya ukwanira ngaki basari ange ere ngaki chibesa chia public schools are there for free elitokoro ka free education in primary, in secondary, in university chibesa chonzi pichi kwa say a governor chinde chia wo mujumbe chinde chia wo MCA chinde chia wo president.
In fact, the women
all this money should be integrated ango chibesa if there was good planning, we could be planning for free education, free medical care. And when we are going to king another contribution, we change HIV, we say we cannot be able to work to us. About planning into the medical scheme, I mean insurance funds, but our colleague interview. About private schools. It's so difficult. Wasomi mwana public. Obate bunge free. The whole day you mwana atomiliki besa. Obate bunge nyagita free. Na free universal healthcare. Muna weka nyagita kurugeita. Wasa dilebe no mu watchman ya wadangi otara so yega ali kutima. Karanga iko myogo so yega ali kutima. Muna weka wata bunge nyagita. Yani omonto motaka okosi okoba admitted nyagita. For example, if you are poor, let me tell you, Nyagita public hospital in Kenyatta. You cannot admit your patient in Kenyatta. It's a public hospital. Lakini wako ya ndoro na kuikomanye nchera komanye admit you. It's so difficult even to admit a patient in a public hospital. Just admission. What I agree with that again. I think it would be so good. I need to talk one about free universal health. Free. That is what other governments have done. Health. I think it's rare. Naende none bintu biritu atu developing. Muna wana pale kale mubuya abananchi bakayimoka bakaleta marabapara bakamanya beka chipambo and there was an accident wana ngukuminga ki para tate tu anyorera bokomuga naende mwasore konyerema mokoleta marabapara pale ko butoka. You see, even our culture yokanembe